Why do the flames of love that once danced so passionately in our hearts tend to flicker and fade after a few years into marriage? This is a question that haunts many, and today, we delve deep into the intricate labyrinth of human emotions to find an answer. Picture a couple, let's call them Jane and John. Their eyes met across a crowded room, and it was love at first sight. The initial spark ignited a fiery romance fueled by shared dreams and mutual respect. They spent countless hours talking, laughing, and learning about each other. Their hearts whispered sweet promises, and their souls danced to a rhythm only they could hear. Their love was a blazing bonfire, visible to everyone around them. Fast forward a few years, Jane and John are now husband and wife. The same eyes that once held a sparkle now seem to have lost their shine. The laughter is less frequent, the conversations less engaging. The bonfire of love that once roared so fiercely now seems to be a faintly glowing ember. What led to this transformation? One of the most significant shifts that occur after marriage is the transition from a romantic relationship to a partnership. This shift brings with it responsibilities and expectations, which often overshadow the love and romance. Jane and John, like many couples, found themselves navigating the maze of marital responsibilities, leaving them little time to nurture their relationship. Secondly, couples often start taking each other for granted after marriage. The excitement of discovering each other fades away, replaced by a sense of familiarity and predictability. Jane and John, who once cherished each other's company, now seem to find comfort in their routines, forgetting to appreciate each other. Lastly, communication often takes a back seat after marriage. Couples stop expressing their love, their fears, their dreams, and their frustrations. This lack of communication creates a wall between them, making them feel distant and disconnected. Jane and John, who used to talk about everything under the sun, now find their conversations limited to mundane topics. To summarize, the fading love in marriages can be attributed to the transition from a romantic relationship to a partnership, taking each other for granted and lack of communication. It's crucial for couples to keep the flames of love alive by nurturing their relationship, appreciating each other, and maintaining open lines of communication. Love, like a bonfire, requires constant fuel to keep it burning bright. Without attention and care, even the most passionate love can flicker and fade. But with understanding, patience, and effort, the flames of love can dance passionately again, lighting up the darkness and warming the coldest nights.